In today's video, I'm going to do something, but my printer is busy printing, so I'm going to make some slime. Let's get started. This is one of my friend's recipes to make jiggly slime. So what you do is you search for how to make jiggly slime N and M2BC on YouTube.
Hello, it's Mary Claire. That's how you make slime.
I know how to do it now, so let's go to my kitchen and get started. This is glue, the main ingredient. This has polymers, and this is a 4-ounce bottle. I'm putting in the whole entire thing. The glue is half a cup, and this is 1/8 of a cup, so I'm putting 1/4 of the water we're putting in glue. I'm making fluffy slime, so I have to use shaving cream, and before I use it, I have to shake it up. Now I have to mix it. I'm just mixing it so nothing's going to happen until I add the laundry detergent. This laundry detergent has borax in it, so it activates the polymers from the glue. You put in little by little and mix it. Oh gosh, feels like it's hardening. You can probably see that it's like clumping together a little. Yeah, it is clumping together. I'm adding as much Tide as there is glue, but you can keep on adding it until you're happy with it. Oh my gosh, feels so weird. Once you can't stir it anymore, you have to pick it up. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, so sticky. I'm kind of happy with it, but I still have to make it less sticky. You just keep working with it until it feels right. And this definitely does not feel right. I'm getting close to finishing it. It smells minty. You can use any plastic jar to put your slime in, including peanut butter jars, but this one is a gelato container. So I'm going to take the lid off. Just in here. And the slime's done. And you can also use food coloring or colored glue. I think it's really fun to play with this. Slime 5! It wasn't that hard, was it? If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye!